Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2025 Aerospace Engineering paper. Question number 43. Consider the ordinary differential equation 1 by 2 dy by dx plus y by x is equal to 1. If y is equal to 2 by 3 and at x is equal to 1, then the value of y at x is equal to 3 is rounded up to the nearest digit. So here the given equation is 1 by 2 dy by dx plus y by x is equal to 1. Or we can write it as 1 by 2 divided by dx is equal to 1 minus y by x, or this further can be written as 1 by 2 divided by dx is equal to x minus y by x. So now if we assume that y is equal to vx, okay, y is equal to vx, then d and differentiate with respect to x, then divided by dx will be equal to, here we will use product rule, keeping x same, differentiating v with respect to x, then it will be dv by dx into x, keeping y same and differentiating x with respect to x, it will be 1 into 1 into v, sorry. Okay, now this dy by dx can be written here, this and this 2 can be taken here. Okay, so 2x 2 bracket x minus y bracket close divided by x. Okay, so uh, now this y can also be written as vx, and if we write it as vx and take common as x, this x will cancel out with x, it will be 1 minus v into 2, and this will be x dv by dx plus v. So x dv by dx, this is 2 and minus 2v and minus v, 2 minus 3. Okay, so x dv by dx is equal to 2 minus 3, or we can write it as dv by 2 minus 3v is equal to dx by x. Okay, so now if we assume 2 minus 3v as z, then dz will be equal to minus 3 dv, dz will be equal to minus 3 dv, or dv can be written as dz by minus 3, and this is z. So, this term will become dz by minus 3z, and this will be dx by x. So now if we integrate it, it will be minus 1 by 3 log z, this will be log x, log c is the constant of integration. Okay, so it is minus 1 by 3 log, putting z value z, 2 minus 3 within bracket, this is log x plus log c, and b is the y by x, so it will be minus 1 by 3 log 2 minus 3 y by x log x plus c. And now according to given condition, x is 1, y is equal to 2 by 3, y is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, x is 1, put x1 and y 2 by 3. So this will become 0, and this will become log 1, log 1 is also 0. So log c will come out as 0, or c come out as 0. Okay, so now according to the question, we have to find out the value of y at x is equal to 3. This is the given condition, and we have to find out the value of y at x equal to 3. Now we put, because this term is 0, this term is 0, so we have this equation up to this. Okay, now we put x is equal to 3, so this will be 1 minus 1 by 3 log bracket 2 minus 3 into y by 3, or 3 will cancel out, it will be equal to log 3. Okay, and this will be log 1 by 2 minus y raised to power 1 by 3, 2 minus y raised to power 1 by 3. Minus will bring this in denominator, and 1 by 3 will bring power, so 1 raised to power 1 by 3 is 1, so here it will be 2 minus y raised to power 1 by 3 is equal to log 3. Okay, so if we eliminate log both sides, then it will be 1 minus 1 by 2 minus y raised to power 1 by 3 is equal to 3. So taking cube both sides, it will be 1 minus 2y, so 1 by 2 minus y is equal to 27, or cross multiplying will give 27 into 2 minus 27y, or 27y will be equal to 55, or it will give approximately 2 y is equal to 2.03. So as we have to answer in integer rounded up to nearest integer, so nearest integer is 2 because we are getting value approximately 2.03, so nearest integer is 2, so answer is